But I can't say no, the thing just dey hungry me. So do you know what? At the end, I have to buy this into 500 naira. One cup. Now ask me, drop it at that comment section. Ask me how can I leak into 500 naira? I know many of you know what is called Inzu. That thing that looks like chalk. That thing that looks like chalk. I would have gone and bring it, but it's in the kitchen. So I now lick it. When I lick it, I lick one, lick two, I lick three. So do you know what happened? This thing start making me before you know it, okay, before you know it, before I can be able to do what I want, what I'm doing, finish, before I can be able to take my bath and do other things, my dear, sleep can't start. And the sleep no be here. You know, saying do they cause pregnant woman sleep, too much of sleep. Not even only pregnant woman, whether you are pregnant or you are not, so far you are leaking it will be making you to look sleepy. It will be making you, it will causing you sleep. You understand? It will be making sleep to catch you. So far you are leaking into. So when I can't leak the inzo finish,